Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting immediately. Sign into the restored Google account in Google Pay. Make sure your device is online and the payment method is active. This lets you view recurring charges. Once signed in, tap your profile or the menu and go straight to payments and subscriptions. You need to locate subscriptions or recurring payments. This is where Google lists merchants charging you automatically. Do this now so you can jump to the merchant entry and prepare to stop Autopay without delay. Now you'll find the specific recurring entry for the merchant. Tap subscriptions or recurring payments and pick the service you want to stop. This shows details like next charge date and linked card. Once selected, choose Manage or Cancel Recurring Payment. Google labels vary by region. Make sure you confirm which card or bank account is being billed before you cancel so you don't disrupt other services. If there's a direct merchant portal link, open it to ensure both Google Pay and the vendor recognize the cancellation. Finish by confirming the cancellation and saving the confirmation number or a screenshot for your records. This proves you requested the stop. Once done, monitor your email and the account for a cancellation notice and verify there's no upcoming charge. If a charge still appears after the date, first contact the merchant with your cancellation proof. If unresolved, open Google Pay support, attach the screenshot, and request a reversal. Keep your payment method info handy. Support may ask for it to invest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.